Hey everyone, this is Divya from Taboo Foodies. If you are looking for a healthy, no yeast bread option, these oatmeal buns are just perfect. Made with oats, whole wheat, yogurt, these buns are soft, nourishing and easy to make. No waiting, no proofing, just simple homemade goodness. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started.
We'll start by making oat flour. Add oats to a blender and grind them into a fine flour. For this recipe, we'll need 3 cups of oat flour, so add the oats accordingly and blend them well. Our oat flour is ready. Now add the oat flour to a large bowl. Followed by 1 cup whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. Give everything a good mix. Next add 2 tablespoons honey, two tablespoons olive oil or any oil you prefer, and 1 cup of plain yogurt. Mix it once again. Now add around half cup of water. And start bringing everything together to form a soft dough. Our bread dough is ready. Transfer the dough onto a cutting board and cut it into 9 equal portions. Shape each portion into a ball and place them in a greased baking pan. Make sure your baking pan is nicely greased so the buns don't stick. Brush the tops with some milk. This helps the buns get a nice golden color and also prevents cracking. You can sprinkle sesame seeds or any seeds you like. Bake these in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Once they are baked, let them cool completely. You can enjoy these healthy, easy oatmeal buns with soups or curries. Use them for sandwiches or burgers, or simply toast them, spread some salted butter and enjoy them with a cup of chai or coffee.
watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you've never tried no yeast oatmeal buns, you should definitely give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.